morning po sa lahat.
Morning.
All the ladies to gather together on this wonderful Sabbath that the Yahweh has blessed us.
Hallelujah.
Ito ba yung Sabbath na ito ay the first Sabbath ng year 2025 sa Gregorian calendar. So, once again, Shabbat Shalom po sa lahat.
Shalom.
And yung alam ko natin that the world is just celebrated yung New Year sa Gregorian calendar. And many people are really concerned about the New Year. Marami po yung mga pamahiin sa New Year. But si Abayawe po is not concerned about the New Year. Ang concern po ni Abayawe is the New You. Yung New You po. Yan. So, no matter what your past looks like, Abayawe promises to make something beautiful out of your life when we trust in Him. So, you're not really what you used to be. Kay Abayawe, kay Rabbi Yashua, tayo po ay tinatawag na new creation. New creator or new creation. We are forgiven, loved, and made for a greater purpose. Kaya sabi po dito sa makikita po natin sa 2 Corinthians 5:17. So then, if anyone is in Messiah, he is a new creation. The old has passed away, the new has come. So yun po yung makikita po natin dito. Now, take note of this, brethren. Yeah. When we live as His new creation, we become a reflection of Abayawe's love, drawing others closer to Him. So, in this message, mga kapatid, I would like to focus on this word, itong reflection. Because I believe and I know that you will agree with me that life is a mirror. And I will start my message with a story. Yan. Kita niyo naman siguro yung sa slide na yan. Ang nakikita niyo po ay isang genie at isang babae. You know, this genie appeared to a woman. And then this genie said, it's your lucky day today. And I will give you, sabi niya, I give you 3 wishes. Alam natin yung genie, nagbibigay ng 3 wishes. Pero sabi ng genie, on one condition, whatever you ask for, your husband will receive 3 times more. Sabi ng asawa, ano ba? Mahirap pakisamahan yung asawa ko. He's a respectable person, I hate him. But sabi ng genie, I am a love genie. I cannot do anything. Whatever you ask for, your husband will receive 3 times more. So, nag-agree yung babae. Sabi niya, okay, for my first wish, I want to be rich. And I want $1 million. Sabi ng genie sa kanya, are you sure? Your husband will get 3 million. He said, times 3 nga. And the wife said, it's okay. Anyway, what is his man and what is mine is his. So, kumawi yung ginalaw ng genie yung kamay niya at naging milyonaryo yung babae na receive. She received 1 million, but her husband received 3 million.